Namaste Taurians, welcome to Soul Kundalini. My name is Reema and thank you for watching my channel. To those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, and to those of you who haven't, please do, it is really encouraging for me. I just want to say that these are general readings, so only take the guidance which resonates with your mind, body and soul. I also want to say this could be a sun, moon or rising sign, whichever resonates with you. I will begin with the overall energy card, and that is the Chariot for you. So with the Chariot coming out as your overall energy, I want to say that right now you are at a time where you want to overcome the obstacles that you've been going through. You have a lot of power and determination, and you can focus on anything you want to if you use your willpower. Right now, you should be feeling motivated, ambitious, and in control. There are obstacles which may come into your path right now, but if you stay focused and you stay confident in your ability, you will be successful in whatever you want to take up. Sometimes when Chariot comes, it also means travel. So there is maybe travel plans for business or for pleasure. Right now, the universe wants you to find the right kind of balance between the heart and the mind of yours, and to put all the worries aside and maintain your focus. Maybe you would want to go on a spiritual journey, but any journey you want to take on right now, it is going to be with some hurdles, like life is. Life has hurdles, and you learn to take care of hurdles and to go past the hurdles. Just maintain your focus, like I said before. Be very confident and determined through the process. And there will be winding turns and detours, but don't let that deter you. So let's see what your tarot cards say. The first card is Seven of Cups. The second card is the World. The third card is the Eight of Swords. Let me just put that here. And the fourth card is the Hierophant. All right, that's beautiful. And these cards I'm going to read at the end. So I just want to say that there is a lot of options, there are a lot of possibilities in front of you. Maybe your brain is confused right now in what you want to do. There are a lot of things happening around you and you're being pulled in different directions with the Seven of Cups. Sometimes there is a lot of delusion and illusion in your head that you could do everything and you can achieve everything. But right now, focus is important, like this Chariot card said. If you are going to do everything at the same time, you're not going to achieve success in anything, whether it's your love life, personal life, or your work life. I just want to say, when the Seven of Cups appears, sometimes you're tempted to do a lot of things. There are a lot of temptations around you. Sometimes it's because of your ego, because you think you could do everything. Not that you can't, but focus in one place and focusing on one thing is very, very important. That is how you achieve success. And once you've achieved that, then you can go on to another thing. All right. I think your ego is pulling you apart here and there. Your head may just be in the clouds. So the Chariot wants you to know that coming back and, collecting your thoughts and going on one path is important. This confusion is also causing a lot of issues in your head. I think with the Eight of Swords, you're feeling suffocated right now. You think you don't have the power to do the things that you want to. You feel that you're stuck in a situation, and this situation is causing anxiety and tension. In this situation, maybe you're having repetitive and obsessive thoughts, and these repetitive and obsessive thoughts are causing lower vibration for you, are causing toxicity in your body and your mind. So you're being asked to bring alignment with your inner being. You have to find a way out of this situation. The thoughts and beliefs which you thought before, things which you were thinking before the conditioning, is no longer serving you. So you need a new perspective. As soon as you get the new perspective, things are going to open up for you. I also feel that if this isn't new, then there is a person in your life who could come in as an advisor. So keep a lookout for that. The Hierophant is a very wise person. It's a very traditional person. Could tell you things that they have known. Could be an older person, so they have a lot of experience in life. So they could give you a spiritual education, or maybe something for your business, or maybe would give you relationship advice. So if you've been struggling, this hierophant, this mentor could take you towards the path you're supposed to be on. But if this isn't another person, an extra person in your life, somebody you know, or somebody who's going to enter your life, then this could be you, and you have to tap this energy. You should commit to a spiritual practice. Committing to a spiritual practice, maybe meditation, yoga, any of those things is going to help you follow the path you're supposed to be on. It's going to help you focus on one thing. It's going to help you overcome the obstacles. I want to say that this Hierophant card is the advice for you at this moment. You have to embrace the conventional method and then go on your own way. Right now, it is important for you to follow the process which has been well established, like a tried and tested kind of model. So what you're being guided to do right now, whether it's in love life, whether it's in family life or your work life, is to follow a tried and tested method. Take help from someone who's older than you, who's really wise, so you can achieve success, so you can achieve the world, because world is in front of you. Only if you want to grab it, only if you want to achieve all the success in life. This is again a card of reaching a goal, of having a loving and committed relationship, of success, of travel, of reaping rewards finally. But this reaping rewards can only come with the Chariot by overcoming obstacles and focusing on one and only one thing. You have to learn how to complete a challenge instead of leaving it in the middle. Learning how to complete a challenge is going to bring you the world. Is going to bring you the love. So I'm going to tell you again what these cards are saying to you. Obstacles can be overcome by focus and determination. You have the strength only if you focus on one thing and not be tempted with all the choices you have in front of you. All this anxiety, tension, all the self-limiting thoughts are all inside your head. You can totally get rid of it. You can get rid of this rope with the help of a spiritual mentor or an advisor. Maybe this is you. Maybe you haven't tapped into this energy. If you go to any spiritual retreat, if you start practicing yoga or any kind of meditation, maybe you will reach there. And once you do reach there, the world is yours. A beautiful life is waiting for you. Completion of all the challenges, a dream come true is going to happen for you. It is very, very important. Let's see what the next two cards are saying for you. This one says, I recognize that I have chosen fear and I choose again, I choose love. So this goes with the Eight of Swords, that you are who you choose to be. And right now, if you're choosing fear, then that is what you're attracting. If right now you're choosing tension, pain, and anxiety, then that is what you are attracting. But if you choose love, that is what the universe is going to give you. Now, the next card says, I create mindful moments throughout the day, reminding myself that I am love and miracles are natural. Again, this card again talks about being love and self-love. It talks about loving everyone else. It talks about having trust in the universe, that the universe loves you. You have to be mindful of your thoughts. Like this card says, bringing fear is going to bring everything around you which is full of fear. But if you believe in love and miracles, then love and miracles are going to come into your life. This is a very beautiful reading, Taurus. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I do come live on my channel sometimes to do yes or no tarot readings. It is on and off, so just keep your notifications on if you would like to ask me a question. I also have some chakra healing, Tibetan singing bowl sound videos, which you can watch on my channel. You just have to put your headphones on and sleep, and it'll help you raise your vibration and heal the unbalanced chakras. Thank you so much again, and see you soon.